Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Ballin on a Budget Drift Car Build. This is Southdown Garage. So today we're going to focus on getting that engine into the drift car, and we're going to finally get things sort of figured out. We have to make sure that the engine mounts are going to fit, but we have to make sure that everything clears first. We've got a lot of unknowns. This is a project that I haven't really seen documented too much, so it's kind of hard. A lot of stuff we're doing, a lot of research, and so it's taking a little bit of time, so I apologize for that. But let's get to it. My dad's going to give me a hand. We're going to get this thing in there, and we'll see you in a bit.
Welcome to season 2 of Ballin on a Budget Drift Car Build. If you guys like carnage, you'll probably see some.
Hater V8, bro.
Okay, so practically this is going to be the last time you ever see this, so I'm going to cut all this out. So I'm going to cut down, basically down here, and then right across. So it's flush here, and then I'm going to cut this piece out here, and same on the other side, cut up and over. And then I might actually cut this out first. Yeah, I might do that. And then cutting this piece out down along here, so I delete the whole radiator mounting system. So we're gonna have nothing here, and then basically we're gonna have to build a bash bar in the front and something to go across here. So we're gonna be able to unbolt everything, hopefully. So that's the plan, anyways. Yeah, fun, right? Hashtag drift like? Yeah, anyways, I say that a lot. It's pretty dumb, but so basically what we're going to do is just pull everything apart, and then we can build some sort of setup here, which is going to be a little bit stronger, and we make sure that we're not going to smash our lights the next time I hit something. So here's our adapter piece. It's going to go outside of our transmission, so we're going to be able to bolt piece or hook up a steel braided hose off here and then run it up to the firewall. So we're just going to go ahead and mate these two together and go from there.
You sure that's gonna fit?
It should.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We're in.
Okay, put a rag back in the hole. Round it.
Okay, don't tell Nancy I was wearing this shirt.
Wearing what shirt? Okay.
Oh yeah, we're on video.
I
Yeah,
won't,
yeah.
I won't put that on the internet.
Yeah, yeah.
Why is there a blob around your midsection? Don't know. Something about editing. What? Nothing. Difficult. All right, let's get this engine in. Transmission. It's gonna be a lot easier to get in with all this area cut out of it. Now, what did I do with the jack handle? There it is. Here. How about I move some of these tripping hazards out of the way? Avoid falling. That always brings out the best language.
We still gotta go back, eh? Hold it. Let me just right up, just jack up.
That's fine.
Okay.
Want me to jack up a little bit?
Yeah. There. Okay. Work down a bit. Huh?
On an angle?
I'm sure it is. Yeah. Can you get your mount back
I needed to be more
in? In?
over this way.
Like the whole engine side your way? Every once in a while, even the old guys have good ideas, eh? One we can remember. I'll forget by tomorrow, though.
You know when it was,
Okay. Push it in.
okay, go ahead and,
Here, you go work that and
sure.
I'll twist the motor.
Yeah, okay, that works.
Okay, watch your manifold on that side, behind the steering. It should be fast.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so. Go back. This needs to go back.
Okay, so go down and put the jack into the transmission now.
Okay.
Jack up the back. And remember, put it a long way so we can slide it back. I'm gonna take some tension off here then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the engine's actually sitting forward now, right?
Is it?
Like we have back probably another couple inches. You need that height anyway, Kurt.
I know, but hang on. Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything, I'm just watching.
Yeah. I just want to make sure I've got enough room. So you can go back a couple inches?
Yeah, that's it.
On my...
But you're sitting, oh no, you missed your steering. Or you bent it.
Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much the extent of how far back I can go.
Yeah. Now you're gonna have to put your mount on from underneath
Yep.
and then weld it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button as well, please. Feel free to comment and let us know how we did. We're really looking forward to getting this build done. We're really looking forward to getting it out on the track and having some fun with it. As you saw, we did have some difficulties before, and we're looking forward to the easy slide with the V8. Until next time, we'll see you soon.